Welcome to the next video in our Iberian Peninsula journey. We took a flight from Barcelona to Porto, and while we were at the Barcelona airport, we had some interesting entertainment watching a robot fulfill orders. We're ordering some coffee, and this is who is going to serve it. He's working now. See?
And your brown sugar? Brown sugar? Brown sugar?
Look at his hand.
When it's ready, you can put inside. When it's ready, no problem.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
Making somebody else's coffee now. Is that his
Coffee? Yes.
That's his coffee. It's the Teal?
Yes,
Oh, okay. Oh my goodness.
All right, baby, here, so I'm going to put the receipt.
And I'm putting it in one. I mean,
Right here. Yeah, I guess so.
Okay, let's go.
now you can reach in.
And now? Now? Okay.
You need to top it off. What is he doing? What is he doing? Is he saying bye?
Bye-bye.
We'll call him Robo. Let's see how does Robo's coffee taste? Huh? Okay, let's see how it tastes.
It's hot.
But he didn't give you a full cup.
Not bad. A latte. I need some more brown sugar. Excuse us.
That's what they say. But you know what? We have arrived in Porto.
Porto! Rico, Puerto Rico?
Let's go.
We checked into the PortoBay Teatro, which is a 4-star hotel located in the historic center of the city. The entrance is cleverly concealed, which made it a bit challenging for us to find the door at first. It's a beautiful hotel that was renovated a few years ago, and it has a nice contemporary style. What is this? PortoBay Teatro Hotel. So this is what our room looks like. But let's go in here. There's a nice shower, shampoo and conditioner. We have a toilet area with the bidet. Doors go all the way across. Nice. And the compartment at the bottom there as well for your shoes. There's a little mini fridge. Some tea. And we have a nice king size bed. And after lunch, we decided to check out the Bolhao Market, which is located in the city center. Fresh meats to fruits, vegetables, pastries.
Let's check it out.
was really quite impressive with fresh produce, meat, seafood, flowers, vegetables, fruit, everything you could name. We actually regretted not having lunch there because there was so much to choose from. Their famous pastries, liquor, pastel de nata liquor. That evening we had dinner at the Taberna Donna Antonia restaurant, and we enjoyed walking through the streets of the old town and down to the Douro Riverfront. And the next day we took a coach bus to a Douro Valley boat tour with wine tasting and lunch. This was really the highlight of our Porto visit. The Douro region, which is about an hour's drive from Porto, is actually where the famous port wine is made. The scenic drive through the Douro Valley was absolutely stunning.
Everyone's moving.
Okay, so we just got off the bus from our Douro Valley tour so we could take in this viewpoint.
You might never travel blind.
The riverboat cruise offers unique perspectives that are not visible from the roads, and the views are just spectacular. We visited 2 different wineries, Quinta S. Luis Cope, which is the oldest port wine house in the world, and then we had lunch at the second one, Cave St. Marta. We had a tour of the wineries and they took us through their process from grapes to bottle. We sampled 3 types of port wine at both wineries, white, tawny, and ruby. That evening after dinner, we enjoyed a leisurely walk back to our hotel, winding through vibrant neighborhoods alive with energy and accompanied by the melodies of street musicians. We really enjoyed Porto. You can explore the historic charm and cobblestone streets built on rolling hills on foot. I felt like we could have used another full day here to get more time to walk around and explore the town, walk across the Ponte Dom Luís Bridge over to the town of Vila Nova de Gaia, which is famous for its port wine cellars. Our flight didn't arrive in Porto until 1:30. The first day there, so by the time we got to our hotel, checked in, had lunch, then explored the market, the day was pretty much over. And then of course our next full day there, we did the Douro Valley tour. So another day here would have been really good. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed the content in this video, please give it a like, and if you're not subscribed to our channel yet, please support us by subscribing. And stay tuned for the next video in our Iberian Peninsula journey.